Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why I sold all of my AT&T shares. So first we're going to look at the chart, then we're actually going to look at the fundamentals. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. So breaking down the chart, you guys can see that this is a very sluggish chart. We're on the 3-year chart, so this is the chart within the past 3 years. And in 2019, we had a beautiful growth, went from $30 all the way up to $39. And then we had this massive sell-off, this huge crash happened, went from, almost $40 all the way down to $26, and really didn't do much ever since. The 2020 return for this thing is actually down about 4%. Compare it to the S&P 500, which is actually up about 11 or 12% or more. Not to mention, this company pays out billions upon billions of dollars in the forms of dividends, which as a dividend investor, that's awesome. But the company doesn't make that much money, right? If we actually go ahead and we look at their revenue here, you guys can see it's only about a 2.7% increase. That's not a good long-term growth. Now, they can always turn it around. They can always turn the company around and make more money. And I can always buy shares if the company meets my criteria. But recently, it has not been doing very good. Cash on hand is around $11 billion, which may seem good. That $11 billion is a lot of money. But compared to the long-term debt of around $160 billion in debt, $160 billion. So if this company ever slows down or goes through a rough patch, they're going to have a very hard time. The reason why is they're either going to have to do bankruptcies, close shop, they're going to have to take on more debt, and overall just continue to dilute the company. And yes, getting back to the dividends, their payout ratio for this stock is over 70%. So what that means is anytime they get earnings, 70% actually goes out dividends. So there's only about a 30% left over to actually grow the business, which isn't very good. And I just am looking for a better opportunity elsewhere. If you compare it, getting back to the S&P 500, SPY, you guys can see, look at the difference. Beautiful upward trend. Everything looks really solid. It doesn't pretty much matter when you buy it. You're going to be up on your money. Compared to AT&T, where you have to be a little more strategic with your investments. And honestly, a lot of people are just buying this just because of the dividend, but they don't realize that it's going to be suffering on the growth side with the stock just returning. So overall, for me, AT&T is a no-go for my investments, but overall, I still think there's better, stocks out there in the similar sector, like Verizon. That looks very good. You guys can see, let's pull up the chart and I'll show you the difference. Definitely more of an upward trend, continues to pay out that dividend. Major support at 54, resistance here at 62. Warren Buffett is loading up on shares. A lot of people are loading up on shares of this company, and it's just a better chart compared to AT&T, which is more sluggish, huge sell-offs, huge spikes, huge ups and downs, and it's just under that 200 moving average line right now, and it's just not worth it. Better opportunity elsewhere. Not to mention, guys, for me, if you are buying AT&T, understand that, yes, this is going to be a more risky stock. And for me, I've been buying this stock for the past couple of years just because I knew it had such a good dividend, but I didn't realize that I was suffering on opportunity cost. When I have money here, I'm missing out on opportunity somewhere else. And now I have to sell these shares, get out of it, and move on to my next opportunity. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off on the course. So we will see you guys in there. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and stay safe out there. One last thing, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys later. Take care. Bam!